80 Casino Street. This is what Glenwood living is all about. This pocket is much loved because it's both private yet central to the best amenities this great suburb has on offer. Now let's take a look at this charming family home. Walking throughout, you'll be impressed with the modern inclusions and an interconnecting floor plan with living zones at the front and the rear. Walking outside, you'll enjoy a great mix of undercover and grassed area, surrounded by beautifully manicured gardens. Well situated, this home is walking distance to Catering Street Public in Glenwood High School, Glenwood Village Shopping Centre, City and District buses and parks and reserves, plus providing easy access to the M7 motorway and the Bella Vista station. So don't miss out. Shiv, Nair from Harcourts Living. See you soon.